Hey everyone, I've got an announcement for the Kory's Rides channel. Some people have been asking about it kind of persistently. People have been asking about it a long time, but the Kory's Rides channel is finally going to do the Honda CRF250L big bore kit. I'm going to do the 305cc version, and it's already in the works. This might take a while, but I've got the Air Fuel AFR Plus from Dobeck Performance on the way. They told me that you can use that instead of an EJK. I decided not even to bother with the Bazzaz controller or anything like that. Dobeck also told me you don't need the EJK and the AFR, so we're just going to do the AFR Plus to run this big bore kit, and I'm going to put that on now with the factory engine and get that working, and then in the future do the big bore kit. So this year it should be done. Probably look at fall for the actual big bore kit, but we're going to get everything lined up, get all the research done. I'll have videos on how fuel injection works, how this AFR Plus works, what the big bore kit is, how that works, and then I'll do an install guide for that big bore kit. So the way it'll work is I'm going to slowly acquire all the parts and the tools and things I need to do this project, and then this little ad that you see right here, or the one you watched before this video, those are going to pay for the big bore kit. I know everybody hates ads, but it allows me to do some of my projects, so that's what's going to finance this big bore project. So like I said, it's going to take a while, but along the way I'm going to do lots of other videos on how to get ready for this, how to tear down the bike, how to build an engine stand for this bike so that you can have something to set it in and work on it if you choose to take the engine out. I'll be doing a video on checking your valve clearance, lots of other videos. So it'll be a big series, and it's probably going to take most of the year to get done, but we're on our way. Make sure you're subscribed, tell your friends, make sure they're subscribed. So this is finally going to happen. That's my little announcement. Thanks for watching.